Wow, it's been a long time. So, alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Anavilori. So today I want to actually give out something, I want to give out something to you guys, to all my subscribers, to mark 500 YouTube subscribers. So we just clocked 500 subscribers, I think few hours ago. I think last night we grossed 500 subscribers. It's now 506 subscribers, and it's been a long time, over 3 weeks since I made a video on our YouTube channel, a tutorial. It's actually been difficult making a video. There's no time and a little challenges, so but hopefully I think by next week or a week time, yes, I should be able to come up with new training videos on my YouTube channel. So for you who can see these are my subscribers, or just new to my channel, you can actually grab my special free gifts I had for, okay, not free gifts, I don't want to give it, make it free, because a lot of people are not going to use it, and I don't want lazy people to get into my my list and then using my product without making efforts to use it. So I actually put a price on it so I can actually get serious people picking it up and then using it. So if you are serious and you've been with me for a long time, and then you know the value of what I give out, so I want to give you access to one of my courses which I launched out recently. I'm going to be available for just 48 hours. Yeah, so within the next 48 hours, you can pick up my PLR massive bundle. Remember, this course has sold over 50 copies, over 50 sales for about, I think, $9, and then recently I bumped it up to $17. That's times 2, and I think I started getting a sale already. So inside this product PLR massive bundle, you're going to get access to over, I think, 60 plus products, ebooks, yes, ebooks that you can actually rebrand and resell as your own. Yes, you can put your tag on it, put your name on it, and then you begin to sell them at your own price. Or you can use it for any way you like. You can use them to grow your email list. You can, give them out. You can use it, to get ideas and grow your business, or you can just begin to sell them individually, yes, or you sell everything in bulk as I did right here. So when you get access to this, there's a link under this video to pick it up, and then when you pick it up, let me show you how you can actually what you also get inside. So inside PLR massive bundle, you're going to get over 50 evergreen ebooks. These ebooks, they actually are evergreen, that is, you can always be selling them as over and over and over again, for as long as you want. You can use it to create interesting content for your blog. You can use it to build your list for bonuses, promoting promoting products that you promote as an affiliate. Also, let me just go straight to, I don't want this video to be long, so you can see it's just, so if you go and click on the link right now, you're going to pay just $2. Yes, remember, I've sold this product for $9 and then $17. So let me just show you. You can see this is payment from someone. This is 11th of January 2021, and then it's sold for $17. So let's see, you can see PLR massive bundle. So you can see, and let's check this, 11th of January. So actually this on 11th, so because I'm celebrating 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so you can get access to pick up this PLR massive bundle for just $2. Yes, for just $2. If you go right now and then you click on the link under this video, it's going to bring you right to the sales page right here, and then you'll be able to claim claim all these PLR ebooks that you can pick up right now for just $2, and then you also get access to my bonuses. Now this is where it is where you'll be able to use these ebooks, because I know most of you, some people might not know how to use these PLR ebooks I'm giving you. So you also get a case study video. Number one is how a 15-year-old began to use this same some of my old products, PLR products, to to earn some dollars online. So you get a full case study. You watch her, she's 15 years old, and then she's actually getting results just selling the exact stuffs that I have sold. So you also can pick it up, and then you can watch the video and copy her and see what she's doing, and begin to make profit with those PLR ebooks you're getting instant access to. And then also, second bonus I'm going to show you how a pro marketer makes at least I think $1,000 selling each book. All she does is she sells private label rights ebooks, just ebooks. She can just pick up one book on one topic and then she sells it, and then she just sells about 50 copies, and then she makes at least close to $1,000, and she does that I think almost every week here. So you need to get access to that as a free video so you can watch it and see how she does, and then you can copy her exactly how she's doing and can start getting results. So number 3, you're going to get access to our Facebook community and coaching, where you'll be able to get support, interact with people, communicate with people, and then any other thing. So you can see these testimonials from people already who have used my product at a time or the other. And then I think that's all. So just go ahead, click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you to this page. Then you'll be able to pick up my PLR massive bundle for just $2. I've sold about 40 copies at $9, and then you can also pick, and you can see I've sold for $17. This is real proof now, you can see, but you can pick this up for just $2. So I don't know how many people are going to get access to this, but it's going to close after 48 hours. Yes, after 48 hours this special offer is going to close. So I'm doing this because celebrating my 500 subscribers on YouTube. Yes, 500 subscribers on YouTube. So I want to appreciate you guys. If you've been a long time subscriber on my YouTube channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate your support, and I hope I'll be giving more value to you guys. And if you have any question, please, I've always been saying this, you can reach out to me on Facebook. Yes, there's a link under this video as well to get in touch with me on Facebook. Ask me questions, let's connect together on Facebook, ask me questions, and then I will try as much as possible to get back to you in time. So I think that's all about that. So go ahead, click on the link under this video, pick up PLR massive bundle. You will get a whole lot of things to profit with, and these ebooks are actually evergreen. They are evergreen and they are high quality. That is, you rarely see them around, and you can just start selling them one by one. If you have a blog, you can list them for sale on your blog. If it's even $5, $9, or you can sell everything as a bundle on your blog, or on your anywhere you have a following, or if you have an email list, you can just sell them and then you make money. That's what I do. I sell PLR products over and over and over and over again. So you can go ahead and pick this up for just $2. Please, after 48 hours it's going to close, and then it will be all over and the price will skyrocket back to $9 or either $17. So whichever way, within the next 48 hours you have a chance to grab it up for just $2. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for always being there supporting my YouTube channel. Actually have many things in plan, but I hope I'll be able to achieve them very soon and then bring them out for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and then head over to the video section. You're going to find quality training videos, free videos that are going to show you how to profit online, get started on WordPress as an affiliate marketer, as a product launcher, so many things. Just go ahead and to my YouTube to my video section, and then you find a lot of things inside there. I was thinking this video was going to last just 5 minutes, but it's getting to 10 minutes already. It's 8 minutes, so I'm going to put a stop right here. So thank you very much for getting me to 500 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.